traders, quick look at what I did today. This is the pound US dollar, massive run up here, very completely untradeable. It just shot up after the rate decision. So I bought this area here, should have sold here, weekly pivot, and I didn't, so locked in a little bit of profit, but didn't get what I should have done. Anyway, never mind. What I did do then was traded the Dow, took this reversal bar up here at 350 and took it off at support here. Okay, this is where we broke out from the open. You can just see there's a lot of support here and some more just to the left of the screen, and so yeah, that was okay. So got a reasonable run. Okay, what I didn't do is, don't ask me why, but I didn't trade these yen pairs, and the yen pairs just went bonkers. Let's look at the so this is the euro yen. So we had a hammer here on the weekly pivot at 8 o'clock in the morning and hardly any red bars, and it's done 400 points. So that's silly of me not to have focused on that. So lesson learned on that one. Right, let's look at where we are on these charts. Start off with the Dow daily. We're not quite finished yet. Half an hour's trading to go. Non-farm payroll tomorrow. Assuming that the next half an hour we don't get any sell-off, we are at monthly R2, close to there. I'm just not trading tomorrow. Expecting a lot of whip around, non-farm payroll, and not much else. Gold is sideways. Looks like it's trying to form a bottom here, but could so easily just slip out of the bottom of this. Could so easily just sell up here and then roll over. So I won't touch that yet. Right, pound US dollar. Something of a stopping bar. See, that's the pivot I should have got out of. I was hoping that the 60-minute would close higher. We had a hammer on the 60-minute 50 EMA at one stage, but then a reversal bar followed it, and we just drifted lower ever since. Okay, so unfortunately I looked at the wrong pair today. So I'll just leave it. See what happens on tomorrow. And these yen pairs are just to buy pullbacks. 141.50 is a pullback area on the pound yen, the euro yen, which is even stronger. A pullback, that's a big line in the sand at 123.22. If you can get that pullback to that extent, but that is we're back to where we fell from on that huge down day. Just narrowly above it, so a great move up there. And oil is very much back in play. This fib zone's been bought, and we've closed up here, so that's a pullback now. 90.88 is a good place to get in if you see that again, to see if we can get up to 93. We closed above the 50% zone. You may only get 91 on a pullback. Let's have a look at some of the other pairs. Pound Aussie dollar is sitting down there with a potential stopping bar. That's certainly held a key level down there. Let's have a look at the Aussie. Now, see, the Aussie's a lot stronger than the pound. That's a decent close up there. That is if we get 102.46, that's a decent pullback area in that Aussie US. Quick look at some of the others. Aussie CAD, potential reversal bar up there. US dollar Swissy. Right, there's the selling in the dollar. confirming what we're seeing in the, or we haven't looked at the Euro US, have we? Wow, decent bar in the Euro US. This is why the pound US is the lame dog in this. You know, the Euro US, Euro yen, pound yen, all shot up except for pound US. So the pound US, I know the pound has been a bit of a dog recently. I know there's been a lot of downward pressure. It's been selling at the highs, but today of all days, I just thought that pound US would follow this one. They didn't. Lesson learned. 130.450 is the pullback area in that euro. That's a massive engulfing bar, and that's a big line in the sand for the Euro US. Euro yen is the one to focus on. Right, and let's leave it there. Okay, hope that helps, and see you around.